I have been lucky enough to work with the incredible Mary from Systems Lane for the past 2 years. Without her, my business would not have scaled to the extent that it has. She has made my life easier so I can onboard more staff and grow my business not only quickly, but also sustainably. Before working with Mary from Systems Lane, I was so overwhelmed and in a world of hurt. I had a fast-growing business, no systems, and no time to try and implement what I needed in order to sustainably scale. Mary entered my life and has been with me for the last 2 years, and she is not going anywhere anytime soon. She is professional, she knows her stuff, and I don't know where I would be without her. Working with Mary from Systems Lane for the past 2 years has been absolutely integral to my business success. She is the utmost professional, she knows her stuff, and she is the most welcome addition to my team. You will not regret using Systems Lane.